Vinny Miletti here with Miletti Law, the strongest name in law. This is another one of these Miletti Law Q&A videos. You know, as we had mentioned before, we have the forum. People leave questions in the forum. They leave questions in the comments, stuff like this. And yeah, whatever. I figure I just might as well answer a couple of them one by one. I usually try to do one from each I usually try to categorize them, you know, one from employment law, one from intellectual property, maybe one from some other category. So, you know, today's installment, I don't know what day it is today. It's probably the 22nd or 23rd of August. I can't remember. All right, so quick one here today. Today was employment law. This one had to do with, you know, somebody says, you know, they still don't have an employee handbook for their company, and they want to get an employee handbook. You know, do they need an employee handbook? So that's the question. So the question that comes up is, do I need an employee handbook? And my answer is yes. Yes, 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 yes. Wait, it's not legally required, but it is foolish to not have something. Not have something or not have anything. It is so important to have a handbook. So important. If you want to get one from me, I'm more than happy to take you one and write one for you. If you want to get one template from Bloomberg or whatever that website is, that company, it doesn't matter. Do something, get a handbook. Handbooks serve a variety of useful functions for employers. One, they give you a presumption in court that you're non-discriminatory and that you do the right thing. Two, they set the rules in advance so employees can't say, well, I didn't know I can't do that, you know. So they set the rules in advance and they protect employees. Three, they formalize a lot of the rules so you know, they don't change, they're not flimsy, so enforcement is consistent, because you always want consistent enforcement in policies. You never want inconsistent enforcement, because that creates legal issues. So I mean, right there are three benefits to it. But I mean, that question is a very easy answer. Yes, you want a handbook. 100% you want a handbook, and especially in a place like New York City, where there's a ton of friggin' rules and regulations that apply to you. Especially in the city area, not even talking about the state, but especially in the city, there's a ton of regulations that apply to employees. So, yes, 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 yes. Get yourself a handbook. It's important. All right, so that's all for that. Vinny Miletti, Miletti Law here, the strongest name in law, leader of this unusually motivated movement. And till the next question.